Good morning, children. Again, you are welcome. Okay. So now today I will discuss with you about narration. Okay. That is also known as a reported speech. That is also known as a, we can say, direct indirect. Got it? So this is the topic of grammar. Understand? And you know, grammar is a backbone of language. Without grammar you can't success. Is that clear? So for what we have to do, we should learn grammar keenly, properly, so that we can get success in exam. Understand? And you are also having some questions only related to the grammar in the exams. So get ready for that. Is that clear? Okay, now I am going to explain you the topic. That is also narration, reported speech or direct indirect. Is that clear? It is a very big topic and it will take a lot of time to be completed. So listen me carefully. Understand? Now, what is direct indirect? The actual word, I am just telling, the actual word which are spoken by the speaker without having any change, that is known as a direct. And the word which was spoken by the speaker and somebody else, someone will speak these words having some change, that is known as a indirect speech. Got it? Okay, what we are going to do, I have written this sentence. Ram says to me, inverted comma start, I am going to market. This is direct. Okay, that is direct. So the sentence which is used before inverted commas, okay, that is known as a reporting verb. What is it known? Reporting verb. And the sentence which is used between inverted commas, that is known as a reported speech. Got it? अच्छे से देख लो आप थोड़ा. Okay. So you have understood what is reporting verb and what is reported speech. So we have divided this sentence into two parts. The sentence which is used before inverted comma is known as a reporting verb. The sentence which is used between the inverted comma is known as a reported speech. Is that clear? So what we are going to do, we will change this. Okay, but before I am going to change that, we are having some changes. First of all, change in reporting verb. Second, that can also be second change in pronouns, and that can also be second change in reported speech. RV means reporting verb and RS means reported speech, and change in pronouns also. So now get ready. I am going to change this. Understand? Is that clear? Get ready for that. I am going to change this. Like Ram says to me, I am going to market. This is direct. And Ram tells me, and you know this is inverted comma. हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to remove the inverted commas. हमें उसको हटाना पड़ेगा. So we need a connector. Connective word we need. And this is not the interrogative sentence. Okay, it is a we can say without interrogative, or we can say that is affirmative sentence. Okay, so the connective word will be used here. That. The connective word that will be used here. Ram tells me that I am going to market. Then what we have to do? We have to change the pronoun. We have to change the pronoun. I am means he is going to market. He is going to market. Ram says to me, I am going to market. That is direct. Okay, and that will change into indirect. Ram tells me that he is going to market. So what are the changes? Only just I have made this indirect. So we have changed this says into tells. Understand? And I into he. And connective will also be used here. Is that clear, everybody? I will tell you one by one all the changes. First of all, I am going to tell you about change in reporting verb. change in reporting verb, not change in reporting verb. So listen me, first of all listen me. Okay, change in reporting verb. First change, if the reporting verb is in present or future tense, if the reporting verb is in present or future tense, the tense of reported speech will not be changed. Got it? If the reporting verb is in present or future tense, like I am giving the example, let's say she says to him, she says to him, they are playing, they are playing. Is that clear? She says to him, they are playing. So how would we identify which tense is used? You know, says, the verb says tells us about the present tense, that will be present tense. और अगर मान लो यहाँ पे आ जाए will say, shall say, okay ना, so that is known as a present or future tense. So that is present simple tense. She says, because she is a first person and say is a verb, and first person always use s or es with the verb. Understand? So she says to him, they are playing. So what will we use? The tense of reported speech, only the tense, only the tense. The tense of reported speech will not changed, that will be remain same. Is that clear? If pronoun are changing, we can change them. Okay, she says to him, she tells him that. They is a third person pronoun and third person will not changed, so that they are playing. You got it? Everybody got it? They are playing. She tells him that they are playing. Is that clear? अगर मान लो she will say आ जाए तो भी चेंज नहीं होगा. Understand? Everybody? Okay. Now the second change in this. Second change is if object is used in reporting verb. If object is used in reporting verb, then what happens? Say will change into tell. Says will change into tells. Okay, and said will change into told. If object is used, अगर object लिया है तो say will change into tell, says will change into tells, and said will change into told. Giving example, जैसे they say to me. Okay, they say to me. Now अभी तुम लोगों को तो इतना बताऊंगा, डीपली जाऊंगा तो बहुत दिन लग जाएंगे. सो आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज दिस, क्योंकि मुझे ये चेंज करना है. अगर अपन ये करें तो भी हो सकता है, जैसे वी आर प्लेइंग, वी आर प्लेइंग. ओके, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज दिस वन. उसके बारे में सोचना बंद कर दो. से टू मी, दे से टू मी. So they is a plural subject, that is why we use say here. Understand? Got it? So I told you, if the object is used in a reporting verb, is your reporting verb है ना? If the object is used in reporting verb like this object, if the object is used in reporting verb, so what we'll have to do? They what? Tell. They tell me, they tell me we are playing means they are playing. Understand? Pause करना. Understand? Got it? Okay. So now you have understood that says, tells. Okay, these are the verb which will change into reported indirect speech. Is that clear? अब ये जो है said, अब बताऊंगा मैं तुम लोगों को. थर्ड चेंज. Third change I will tell you. if past tense is used in a reporting verb, if past tense means said is used in reporting verb, the tense of reported speech will also be changed. The tense of reported speech will also be changed. Like Ram said to him. Okay, Ram said to him. Before this, एक बात और बताना भूल गया तुम लोगों को. I will tell you later on. Ram said to him, Mohan has played cricket. Ram said to him, Mohan has played cricket. Listen me class. यहाँ पे say आया था, no change. Says आया था, no change. But now the reporting verb is in past tense. So what we have to use? हम इसको change करेंगे. Ram told. I told you ना, said will change into told. Ram told him. Connective that. अब क्या होगा? The said reported speech in past tense ना reporting verb. Then what will happen? The tense will also changed. पहले वाले में tense change नहीं थे ना. Now the tense will also change. And Mohan is a name that will not change. जैसे Mohan had played cricket. Mohan had played cricket. Got it? We will write here cricket. So sad आया. The sad had changed them. Sad किसका told आ गया? मैंने तुम लोगों को बताया था. I told you about that. But अब देखो, if the reporting verb is in past tense, then the tense of reported speech, how they would change? Present simple will go into past simple. Present continuous will go into past continuous. Present perfect will change into past perfect. Present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. अब मैटर है past का. Past simple will go into past perfect. And past continuous will go into past perfect continuous. And past perfect and past perfect continuous will not changed. Got it? And it is a matter of future. जहाँ shall है वहाँ should, और जहाँ will है वहाँ would. Shall be, should be. Will be, would be. Shall have, should have. Will have, would have. Shall have been, should have been. Will have been, would have been. Again I am going to explain this. Got it? Don't worry. Past simple go into past. यानी first जाएगा third में, second जाएगा fourth में. Is that clear? एक चीज भूल गया था. I am going to repeat it. If object is not used, है ना? If object is not used, say will remain say, says will remain says, and said will remain said. Okay, if object is not used, जैसे you said children are writing stories. तो you said का said हो जाएगा. You said will remain said because no object is there. Understand? और क्या होगा? Said will not change into told. लेकिन मेरी बात सुनो. Nowadays इंग्लिश के अंदर ये रूल फिनिश कर दिया है, खत्म हो गया ये रूल. यानी अब समझो मेरी बात को. हमने अकॉर्डिंग टू रूल व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, से विल रिमेन से, सेज विल रिमेन सेज एंड सैड विल रिमेन सैड. यही बोला था ना. बट नाउ ए डेज व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, हम इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं, ऑब्जेक्ट हो या नहीं हो. अभी रूल आया है, मैंने कहीं पढ़ा है कि वी कैन चेंज बिकॉज यू सैड किसी को तो कह रहा है. You said to me, you said to him, किसी को ही बोल रहा नहीं. So object is there but not visible. Is that clear? So I am not going to, we can say, confuse you. But if you can change, you can change. If you are not going to change that, it's okay. Is that clear? So you should also keep in your mind say will remain says will remain says, or said will remain said. Is that clear? So you have understood that. Next is the most important change. The most important change in pronouns. Always keep in your mind, change in pronoun. Understand? Change in pronouns. So what we have to do, change in pronoun, I am going to make something interesting for you. Not completely, but थोड़ा बताऊंगा. देखो कंप्लीट तो नहीं लिखूंगा, लेकिन जो मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट आते हैं. देखो फर्स्ट पर्सन ये होता है. पहले अपन क्या करेंगे, आई, मी, माई, वी, अस, और यू, your, he, him, his, she, her, they, them, their. These are the pronouns. वैसे तो I, me, my, mine, myself, you, we, us, our, ourselves, you, your, yourselves, आगे तक बढ़ता है, लेकिन these are the most important. ठीक है, तो we will divide them. Understand? These are known as a first person. ये I, me, my, we, us, our, they are first person. They are known as a second person. You, your, and these all are third. These, he, him, his, she, her, they, them, their. These all are known as a third person. So first person I, me, my, we, us, our. Second person you, your. Third person he, him, his, she, her, they, them, their. Got it? Understand? Is that clear? Thank you. So dear students, only I have given you the pronouns today, and tomorrow we will start from pronouns. Understand? Is that clear? I hope you have understood that topic. Okay, and you also, we can say, can get it easily, which I have explained you. And is that clear? Nothing is too much we can say hard, but it is a very big topic. Starting से मैंने start किया तुम लोगों को कि direct indirect, that is also known as a narration reported speech. Is that clear? So I explained you change in reporting verb, change in reported speech. Okay, and I also explained you that change in the tenses. But tenses का ये complete नहीं हुआ अभी. बीच में मैंने ये pronoun लाना जरूरी था, क्योंकि इसके बिना we can't learn it more. Okay, so because that this is the topic, the pronoun regularly will be used by us, while we are doing changes. Is that clear, everybody? Okay, bye.